Match the names of scientists in column A with the field of work in column B. Column A you have the scientist name, column B you have the field name. So Homi Jahangir Baba is nuclear physics. Sir Isaac Newton is laws of motion. James Watt is steam engine. Marie Curie is radioactivity. Marie Curie is radioactivity. Vikram Sarabhai is space science. J.C. Bose is plant science. So I think you are able to understand this. So C.V. Raman, this is the name of the chapter. You all will be knowing about him. He is from the southern part of this country, but he had worked in Calcutta and he had gone for his higher studies to United Kingdom. So he is a world famous personality. Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on scattering of light and his discovery on effect of light rays, Raman effect. See, if you go to PUC, there you will study about Raman effect, Tyndall effect and various other effects. So Raman effect is an effect in which, this is the sun and the sky is blue in color, everything is blue. How the light rays from the sun get scattered on the surface of the earth. So Raman effect is what that. And he has given explanation for various other things like why is the sea blue in color, why is the sky blue in color. Various experiments related to light and its scattering, and he has actually given the most acceptable answers for these questions. So he eventually got Nobel Prize in 1930. So the government gifted him 25 acres of land to carry out further research work. So what does the government give? The government gives him 25 acres of land to carry out further research work. Raman Institute was the dream child of C.V. Raman. Raman Institute was the dream child. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7th, 1888 in Trichy, Tamil Nadu. Tiruchirappalli is Trichy. He was the son of Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Chandrasekhara Iyer was a professor of physics at Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. So what was his father? Chandrasekhara Iyer was professor of physics at Hindu College in Visakhapatnam. Where is Visakhapatnam present? This is India. So Visakhapatnam is here. So Trichy is here. So this is Visakhapatnam and this is Trichy, and Bangalore is somewhere in the middle here. Raman studied there at Hindu College High School. He was very much interested in science from boyhood days. Even as a boy, he had made a model of a dynamic. During his school days, he borrowed science books from college students to read them. So he used to borrow science books from college students. First of all, his father was professor in physics. His father was physics professor. So his father's students would definitely be in college. So from those people, he used to ask for books so that he could read them. Thus, from his early days, he showed great interest in science. Great interest in science. That's why he became a great scientist. Unfortunately, he used to fall sick every now and then, and he was not able to attend school regularly. Since he used to fall sick every now and then, he was not able to attend school regularly.